This is going to be a video tutorial on how to clear your CAC in Mozilla Firefox using a mobile iOS device. I'll be using an Apple iPhone SE for this tutorial. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. Okay, I'm on my iPhone now. First thing you need to do is open up the Firefox app. And then you'll go down to the bottom right hand corner, the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to tap on that. And then you will go down to where it says settings and tap on that. Now you will scroll down to where you see it says data management and tap on that. Now it gives you a wide range of options here as far as what you want to clear. Do you want to clear your browsing history, your CAC, your cookies, offline website data, tracking protection? Those are all toggled on by default. You can toggle them on or off, and then the very bottom one, downloaded files, if you want to clear files that you have downloaded. But then all you do is click on Clear Private Data. Then it says this action will clear all of your private data. It cannot be undone. You just click on OK. And now you have cleared your CAC. Sometimes if you have a lot of data stored in there, it'll take a while. Mine was pretty quick here. But that's all you do. That's how you clear your CAC using the Mozilla Firefox app. Thanks for watching.